The BioEscape is an emergency escape breathing device with 10 to 15 minutes duration. It is designed to offer easy and immediate donning combined with optimal respiratory protection. This apparatus is used every day in high respiratory risk environments such as the oil and gas industry, chemical, nuclear and water treatment plants, and the marine sector. We have repositioned the label so that it is now along the axis of the bag for an easy checking during inspection, and the outer surface is sealed to avoid any accidental removal. Because this product is often used in maritime or sunny environments, we have integrated 2 loops on the back of the bag to avoid any risk of salt spray accumulation, while the dark inner hood helps to reduce reflections at the visor to improve the user's vision. This product is simple and safe to use for 3 reasons. Firstly, the supply of air is started automatically as the bag is opened. Secondly, the hood includes an inflatable cushion at the rear which helps to correctly position the inner mask, leaving the hands free during donning. And finally, it is equipped with a non-corrosive end-of-duration alarm whistle positioned next to the ear, so it is perfectly suited for use in noisy environments. The BioEscape is the perfect combination of comfort, simplicity and quick donning without compromising on the user's safety. In case of respiratory hazard, it can be put on in just a few seconds, allowing the user to escape safely from the contaminated environment.